You have seen cars made using Arduinos. It's good and big. But have you seen a tiny car using a tiny microcontroller? The ATtiny 85. Let's get started. Hey, it's Deva from VinVout-io, where you'll find projects, tutorials mainly based on microcontrollers, development boards, and also other electronics. Yes, now you can also find tutorials for MicroPython. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you do so, I'll greatly appreciate that. Before getting into the connections, let's upload the program to the microcontroller. Here I'm using an Arduino as ISP. You will get many tutorials on how to program ATtiny 85. If you want me to create one, just comment below, I'll do so. By the way, this is somewhat like a shield. First we need to upload a code from example called Arduino ISP in order to work our Arduino as an in-system programmer. After that, we go to our main code and select the upload using programmer. It's all done. Now it's time for the connections. I'll provide the schematics and code in the description, don't worry. After connecting everything, I put the motor driver inside the small box and then glued the motors to the side of the box. Also attached a 12-volt battery, and it's action time. It wasn't doing a good deal in moving forward because you can see the motor is not doing well. And thank you so much for watching my contents, and share your thoughts on this on the comment section. Bye.